guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimia. I'm so excited to have you here for this haul. I must say this is one of my favorite hauls ever. Everything in this haul is from the Realreal, Reformation, Net-a-Porter, and I have a few miscellaneous items from different stores as well. So if you're interested to see what I'm adding into my wardrobe, then keep on watching this video. I never know if I should start off with accessories or clothes, but I have more clothes, so I will show you that first. Let's start off with a dress. What else is new? I love dresses. This is a gorgeous silk dress by the brand Zimmermann. Zimmermann is one of my favorite brands. I love everything that they come out with, but it is so steep in the pricing and I'm like dying every time I see any of their collections because I'm like, gorgeous, but like you just like can't have them. So when I saw this on the Realreal, I literally added it and bought it right away because I fell in love with it. I love this print, I love the color, everything about it. It just screams me. I wear dresses all the time. I love this piece. It's a piece that I just look at and I'm just like, wow, like I'm so happy that you're mine. I can wear it in so many different ways and I just love the colors in it. I like that it's printed, but it's not like in your face printed. Everything about this I am obsessed with. It is definitely one of my favorite dresses that I now have. Next, I got a Sid Nijum. I never actually heard of this designer, but we have a lot in common. We are both Canadian. We both go to FIT, or went to FIT. He went to FIT. And I saw this sweater. It's so freaking cute. The quality is so nice. It's wool, and I actually fell in love with the designer's style, and I just love the way he designs, and I'm just like, wow. Everything in this video was purchased at a completely different time. None of this was like all at once. So I got this one the most recently. It's cropped, but it's like oversized and it fits great. I love the way it feels. It's not itchy at all. And I'm excited that I now know of a designer that fits the style that I love. His pieces are very architectural. I am always looking for nice sweaters to wear year round, and this is another piece that I'm just absolutely in love with. Next is an item that I'm gonna hold this forever because I think it is gorgeous. It's my first Proenza Schouler piece. Proenza Schouler is yet again another one of my favorite designers. Everything that they make is so classic. They're so focused on tailoring, and this kind of screams tailoring. I love this blazer. The quality is insane. I have never touched a blazer, like I've never owned a blazer this nice. I've touched a blazer this nice, but I've never owned a blazer this nice. What I love about the Realreal is that you can get pieces that are no longer available. Like this is definitely an older collection piece. I wouldn't say it's vintage, but this style of blazer is very like popular right now. I've always loved good tailoring. A lot of tailoring just doesn't look good on me. Suits kind of wear me. I look frumpy and like not cute in a suit because it's just my proportions. So this just like, I feel like does me so good. It makes me look way better. It cinches in and it kind of gives you that hourglass look, and it just fits me so perfectly in my opinion. It has like a little bit of an oversized feel, but it's still very fitted and tailored without looking like, oh, I'm going to the office. Staying with the Realreal, it's so hard for me to say it. I can't really roll my R's like that apparently. I got a Jacquemus shoe. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen this, but I got this little sandal. These shoes give me life. I love this heel. I think it's so cute. I love like an architectural fun heel. Okay, and I don't have a white sandal, and I think this is something that I would actually wear. This is my very first white sandal. So the Realreal sells used designer clothing, and this was basically new. Like it even came with the box. The box isn't in perfect condition, but I could honestly care less. Like I'm not wearing the box. It's again another shoe that I feel amazing in. That was everything from the Realreal. Next I have Reformation. I'm gonna start off with the piece that I was most likely to purchase at one point or another, a leather blazer. This again, I feel like fits really great. It's thin leather, it's not heavy, which I think is good. It's gonna make for a really nice trans-seasonal piece. I'll definitely get a lot of wear out of it. I can wear it in so many ways, and I was kind of wanting a leather blazer just because sometimes I don't want to wear my leather jacket, especially because my leather jacket has some like cream detailing. I wanted a more like basic, longer jacket, and I'm such a jacket person. I'm a dress person, I'm a shoe person, I'm a pant person. I love clothes. Maybe I could even do like a video for you if you're interested. I also think there's a lot of versatility that comes with something like this that you might not think of, and I'm so ready to do the research and maybe create a video if you would be interested in that, just because this is a very hot item in the fashion industry at this moment. Next, we got a Reformation dress. I sold my green one so I could buy this one. I keep buying a Reformation dress, selling it, buying a new Reformation dress. That's kind of how I rotate my Reformation wardrobe. It works great because people love Reformation, and as do I. I cannot afford to buy all of them, so I think the smartest thing and the most sustainable thing would be to just kind of like do a one in, one out. And yeah, I got the Zimmermann dress. I think it's gorgeous. Oh, so excited. Same kind of cut as all the other dresses that they have. I think the last Reformation dress was a little bit more of a sweetheart. Again, it has a slit, and I just love this color and this little print. Gorgeous dress. I'm excited to wear that. Moving on to Net-a-Porter. Oh, I got a pair of shoes. I love these. I must say, I genuinely love them. They're Malone Schouler. It bothers me that I don't know how to pronounce this name, because I can genuinely say I love actually knowing how to pronounce people's names. And I don't butcher designer names because I don't like to. But Malone Schouler, I think is how you say it, but I will get back to you. That designer with Roxanda, and they're kind of a more mature audience. I typically don't love everything they come out with. These shoes, oh my god, they were on sale, and they were on such a good sale on Net-a-Porter. I think they're just gorgeous. I don't have a colored heel. They feel like they're not gonna hurt me. Don't be trainy, cute shoe. I think they're gonna add such a nice, fashionable, fun element to any simple or intricate outfit, and I love the color of it. Everything about it I'm just obsessed with. I will link it down below. I believe it's still on sale on Net-a-Porter. If you're interested, I highly recommend. I think they are beautiful. Next, I got a blouse by the brand Cult Gaia. I think it's so fun. It looks like an accordion. It kind of reminds me of like moss growing on trees translated into a garment. I am obsessed with that. I don't know why. The design of this blouse is what really spoke to me. They had a matching pair of pants, and I think it came in brown as well. I know that I saw an ensemble on the website in brown, but I just love this green. I think that it's a really fun spring summer piece. It's very light, so it's definitely more of a spring summer piece. It's more of like a dressed up blouse, which I feel like I'm kind of lacking in my closet. If anything is kind of more upscale, or like I'm going to, I don't know, like an art show or a dinner or something that's like a little bit nicer. I tend to not really know what to wear because I don't sometimes want to wear dresses, and I always reach for dresses. I just wanted to add something that was fun and different to wear to those kind of events, and so far we love this, and I think it's gonna photograph well, which is so random, but I just love the sleeves. Now I have two pieces from Zara in this haul. First being these earrings, which I believe I told you. I think that they're so freaking fun. They make so much noise, they're kind of annoying me. I love the color. I don't really have earrings like this. I tend to typically just stick to basics and simple jewelry, and these are simple enough for me. It's not like a crazy color or shape, but I do really like them. I think that they're really, really fun, and I'll get a good chunk of wear out of them, hopefully. Speaking of chunk, I got these boots. Oh my god. They're such Bottega Veneta copies. At this moment in my life, I cannot afford the $1,000 Bottega Veneta boots. Zara came through and brought up these chunky boots. I wore them twice already. They're insanely comfortable. One of the most comfortable boots I've ever worn. I'm like surprised because I expect them to be heavy. They're very light. I love the height that they add. I have never really worn shoes like this before. The closest item to this that I have is the lace-up combat boot style, Doc Marten style shoe, which you've seen before. I love that it's like tighter at the top. I think that's a big part of it, is it's tighter at the top, so it makes your legs look longer. And I could wear this with a dress, which is typically how I think I would want to style it. And I can do this with skinny jeans and like an oversized shirt. I can just wear this in so many ways. It's definitely a trendier shoe. This is gonna be super in style for fall and winter next season. Lug sole boots are everywhere, and I love that they add a little bit of height. I like being a little tall and not having to wear heels to be tall sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Alright my friends, that is everything that I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope to style them for you and share outfits. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that is where I will likely share the outfits first, and then hopefully I can do a lookbook of some sort and I don't know, style them. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite piece in this haul, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone. That was like a ooh.